Welcome to 1414 East Commander Court. If this home had an online dating profile, nobody would swipe left. From this beautiful open kitchen, great place to cook, screened-in porch, covered porch, hot tub, amazing game room with a wet bar. This is one you're going to want to come take a look at. So let's take a tour. Thank you for taking a tour of 1414 East Commander Court. This is Chris Smith with RE/MAX Acclaimed Properties. Come see me in person, and the first one's on me.